Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I have a quick Windows 11 tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to uninstall apps in Windows 11. It's really quite simple to do, and we'll have your unwanted programs uninstalled in no time. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Alright, so here we are on my Windows 11 desktop, and I'm actually going to show you two methods to remove apps here in Windows 11. So let's start out with the first one. It's really quite easy. Just head on down to your Start menu here at the bottom, the little Windows icon, and left click on that with your mouse. And a menu or your Start menu will pop up here. And what we're looking for is the All Apps button here in the top right hand corner. Go ahead and left click on that. It's going to show you all of your apps on your computer. Now you can go ahead and scroll through all of these apps until you find the app that you'd like to get rid of. So today, why don't we get rid of this one here, Paint 3D. Just make sure it's the app you're wanting to remove from your computer. When you do find that app, what you're going to do is right click on it with your mouse, not left click, but right click. And when you do that, a little menu is going to pop up. And you should see a few different options here. So there's a couple options here at the top. One says pin to start. So that would pin the app in one of your icons at the bottom of the screen. But there's also the option here that says uninstall. And this is the one we're looking for today. So you can go ahead and left click on uninstall with your mouse. And there'll be another pop-up here. It says this app and its related information will be removed. If that's what you would like to do, go ahead and left click on uninstall here. And it's going to uninstall that program here in Windows 11. So that is the first method to uninstalling apps here in Windows 11. So let's move on to the second one. So the second method to uninstall apps here in Windows 11 is through the settings. So this is quite easy to do as well. Head on down to your Start menu here at the bottom, the little Windows icon. And again, right click on it, not left click, but right click. And you should see the little settings option right here. It says settings right there. Go ahead and left click on that. And that'll load up the settings here in Windows 11. Now over on the left-hand side, you'll see a whole bunch of different options. There's one that says apps right here in the middle. Go ahead and left click on apps. And all the options that come up should be the first one here. It says apps and features, installed apps. This is the one we're looking for. So go ahead and left click on that. This is going to load up all the apps that are on your computer. Now again, you can scroll through here until you find the app that you're looking to get rid of. So let's find one here. Let's say we want to get rid of, I don't know, the Netflix app here. So we're going to find the Netflix app or whichever app you want to get rid of. And over on the right-hand side on that app, you'll see three little dots. You can go ahead and left click on those dots and it'll give you some more options. And in there, you should see an option that says uninstall right there. Go ahead and left click on uninstall if you'd like to get rid of the app. And it says this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Go ahead and click on uninstall and it's going to uninstall that app for you. And it's really that simple to uninstall apps or programs here in Windows 11. So I hope this tutorial was able to help you uninstall apps here in Windows 11. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. I'd love to have you join the Northern Viking community. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.